Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a zero balance account in ICICI Bank. First, open the App Store and search for the ICICI Bank mobile app, usually called as iMobile Pay, and download the official one. Once it's installed, open it and tap on Saving Account. Next, choose the option for the zero balance saving account. This account does not require you to maintain a minimum balance. You need to enter your mobile number and then tap next. You will receive a OTP on your phone. Enter the OTP to verify your number. After that, you will receive a form. You need to enter your Aadhaar card number, PAN details. Make sure all the information is correct. After that, you will need to enter your personal details such as your name, date of birth, address and email. After that, you will complete the video KYC process. During this step, you will show your face and your ID to the bank representative in a short video call to confirm your identity. After KYC is complete, you will check your login password and transaction pin, reviewing all your information carefully and tap submit. Once the application is approved, your zero balance account will be opened and your account number will be shown in the app. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.